I have a Milwaukee M12 Fuel multi-tool here and a Milwaukee M18 Fuel multi-tool here, and I just wanted to compare how they each cut the wood. So we have here, it's a standard 2x4 stud pine. The M12 has a blade that was brand new. I used it a little bit. The M18 has a blade that's a little bit more used, but I think both are pretty sharp. So let's see. We'll start with the M12. Again, M12 Fuel standard wood cutting blade. Let's go at that again. Now the M18 Fuel. Now the M12 Fuel again. Now the M18 Fuel again. Looks like they're both cutting a little bit slower the more I cut, so these blades might not be very sharp anymore, but again, the M12 has a newer blade. Let's do this again. M12. Now the M18 Fuel again. Okay, so I think the takeaway that I've noticed so far is that the M18 doesn't stall at all. The M12 does, in the beginning, stalled a bit more, and then later it did seem to slow down a bit. Now the M18 had a bit more worn blade, so